A sturdy folding knife can be your most dependable ally in survival and self-defense situations. The 10 best folding knives in this lineup combine strong durability, quick deployment, and useful design for everyday use. These blades are designed to work well under strain, whether you're bracing for unforeseen situations or taking on outdoor tasks. From contemporary EDC advancements to military-inspired designs, every knife on this list has distinctive qualities that set it apart. If you want to add a reliable folding knife to your collection, this list has you covered. The Benchmade Mini Presidio 2 is a compact powerhouse designed for those who demand performance, durability, and reliability in a folding knife. Featuring a 3.2-inch drop-point blade made from premium CPMS3OV stainless steel, it offers outstanding edge retention, corrosion resistance, and slicing power. Perfect for tactical tasks and survival needs. The knife uses Benchmade's signature axis lock, providing rock-solid security and smooth ambidextrous one-handed operation. Its precision-machined aluminum handle is lightweight yet incredibly tough, with deep grooves for an enhanced grip even in wet or high-stress situations. Weighing just 3.2 ounces, the Mini Presidio 2 is easy to carry without sacrificing strength. A reversible deep carry pocket clip adds discreet portability, making it ideal for EDC, self-defense, or field use. Rugged, compact, and engineered to perform under pressure, the Mini Presidio 2 lives up to Benchmade's legacy of excellence, making it a top-tier choice for anyone serious about their folding knife gear. The SOG Vision XR is a high-performance tactical folding knife built for speed, strength, and serious situations. It features a 3.4-inch Tanto blade crafted from Cry-treated CTSXHP steel, offering superior edge retention, hardness, and corrosion resistance. The aggressive ton shape provides excellent piercing capability, while the partially serrated edge adds versatility for cutting through tough materials. Equipped with SOG's XR locking mechanism, the Vision XR delivers rock-solid blade lockup and lightning-fast one-handed deployment using the thumb stud, flipper tab, or wrist flick. Its G10 handle scales ensure a secure grip feel in all conditions, even under gloves or in wet environments. The ambidextrous design coupled with a 4-position pocket clip makes it ideal for left or right-handed users. With its blend of rugged construction, tactical styling, and real-world utility, the Vision XR stands out as a dependable choice for EDC, survival, or self-defense situations where reliability matters most. The Kaiser Cormorant is a modern folding knife that blends sleek design with serious performance. Featuring a 3.5-inch blade made from premium CPMS35VN steel, it delivers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting efficiency. The unique sheep's foot blade shape offers superior control for precision tasks while still being versatile enough for everyday and tactical use. One of the standout features of the current is its button lock mechanism paired with dual thumb studs and a front flipper, allowing for smooth, fidget-friendly deployment from multiple angles. The handle scales, often crafted from stylish micarta or G10, provide a lightweight yet secure grip with an ergonomic feel in hand. Its reversible deep carry pocket clip ensures discreet and comfortable carry. Bold in appearance and fluid in function, the Kaiser Cormorant isn't just an EDC knife. It's a statement piece that offers cutting-edge performance for users who value innovation, design, and utility in one sleek package. The Off-Grid Rhino V2 is a folding knife built for serious survival and tactical situations. With a 3.75-inch cryogenically treated dotterel blade, it delivers outstanding edge retention and rugged durability, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks. The modified Tanto blade design offers reinforced tip strength, ideal for piercing, prying, and tactical applications. Its aggressive gimping and large finger chill provide a confident grip, while the G10 handle scales ensure slip-resistant control even in wet or glove conditions. The Rhino V2 features a fast, smooth deployment thanks to the ceramic ball bearing pivot and a strong liner lock that keeps the blade securely in place during use. A deep carry, reversible pocket clip and lanyard hole enhance its everyday carry convenience. Designed to take a beating and keep performing, the Off-Grid Rhino V2 is a rugged folding beast ready for anything from backcountry survival to urban defense scenarios. The CRKT M21-14 SFG is a combat-ready folding knife engineered for tactical efficiency in high-stress situations. Designed by legendary knife maker Kit Carson, this knife features a 3.99-inch US 8 stainless steel blade with a durable titanium nitride coating that resists corrosion and minimizes glare. The blade's deep-bellied spear point design is optimized for both slicing and piercing, while veer rations make short work of ropes, webbing, and other tough materials. Dual thumb studs and the Carson flipper ensure rapid ambidextrous deployment, while the auto-lock safety system transforms the liner lock into a virtual fixed blade for added security. The aggressively textured G10 handles offer a sure grip even in wet or gloved hands. With a 4-position pocket clip, it adapts easily to your carry preferences. Whether you're in the field, on duty, or preparing for the unexpected, the M2114 SFG brings tactical reliability and cutting power right to your pocket. The Zero Tolerance 0350TS is a rugged, no-nonsense folding knife built for serious tasks and demanding users. Featuring a 3.5 and S3OV stainless steel blade, it delivers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting performance. The blade's tiger stripe tungsten DLC coating not only adds a stealthy, aggressive look, but also boosts durability and wear resistance thanks to the speed-safe assisted opening system. Deployment is fast and smooth with just a push on the flipper or thumb stud. The black G10 handle scales provide a secure, slip-free grip, even in wet or gloved conditions. A robust liner lock ensures confident blade lockup, while the quad-mount pocket clip allows for multiple carry options. Compact enough for everyday carry, yet tough enough for tactical use, the 0350S strikes a perfect balance between strength, speed, and style. It's a dependable choice for anyone who values performance without compromise. The Cold Steel Recon 1 is a battle-tested folding knife designed for extreme survival and self-defense scenarios. Featuring a 4" CPM S35VN blade, this knife delivers outstanding edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. The Tonto clip point or spear point blade options provide versatility for various cutting tasks, while the black DLC coating enhances durability and minimizes glare. Its G10 handle ensures a firm, slip-resistant grip even in wet or challenging conditions. The knife is equipped with Cold Steel's renowned Triad lock, providing unmatched strength and security, preventing accidental closures under heavy use. Despite its robust construction, it remains lightweight and easy to carry. The Cold Steel Recon 1 is built for professionals, military personnel, and survivalists who demand reliability in extreme conditions. Its aggressive design, premium materials, and rock-solid locking mechanism make it one of the most dependable tactical folders available today. The Gerber Empower Automatic is a high-performance tactical folder designed for fast deployment and everyday reliability. Featuring a 3.5" CPM S3OV stainless steel blade, it delivers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability. The blade is finished with black oxide coating, reducing glare and adding an extra layer of protection. With a push-button automatic opening mechanism, the Empower ensures rapid one-handed deployment, making it ideal for self-defense and emergency situations. The armored grip tack handle made from anodized aluminum with a textured inlay provides a secure grip even in wet conditions. A plunge lock mechanism keeps the blade safely locked in place during use. Designed and built in the USA, the Gerber Empower Automatic blends rugged performance with sleek aesthetics, making it an excellent choice for military personnel, law enforcement, and everyday carry users who need a dependable, quick-deploying blade at their fingertips. Built for hard-hitting performance, the Boker Plus Strike delivers quick deployment and precision cutting in a rugged tactical design. Its D2 steel drop-point blade, finished in black, slices through daily tasks with ease, while the textured aluminum handle provides a secure ergonomic grip for confident use. With its push-button automatic opening, the strike springs into action at a moment's notice. A secondary safety lock ensures no accidental misfires, while the plunge lock mechanism secures the blade during heavy use. Whether clip tip up or tip down, the deep carry pocket clip keeps it discreet and ready for action. From EDC to tactical situations, the Boker Plus Strike blends speed, strength, and control into a reliable cutting tool. If you're looking for an automatic folder that performs under pressure, the Boker Plus Strike won't disappoint. The Kershaw Emerson CQC 6K is a rugged folding knife that combines Emerson's tactical design with Kershaw precision manufacturing. This 3.5" blade is crafted from HCR1 for stainless steel, offering a solid balance of sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. The stone-washed and satin finish enhances the blade's toughness while giving it a sleek, tactical look. One of its standout features is the Emerson Wave Opener, allowing for lightning-fast deployment straight from the pocket. This knife also includes a thumb disc for manual opening, ensuring versatility in any situation. The handle combines G10 on the front for grip and stainless steel on the back with a frame lock, ensuring a secure hold and solid lockup. Whether for self-defense, everyday carry, or tactical use, the Kershaw Emerson CQC 6K delivers battle-proven design and reliable performance, making it a must-have for knife enthusiasts and survivalists alike.